Hello friends, today I am making this crochet pattern. This is very beautiful pattern. So this. Today I am making this. I am showing you how to make this. For this I am taking 3 number hook. Let's start. Now making the chains like this. This is the chain like this. Now making 3 extra chain and taking yarn on and pricking here in 4th chain and making double crochet. Making here double crochet. Like this. Make the double crochet in full row. This double crochet row is finished now. Now making here next row. Here making 6 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6 and turning this side. Here making 5 times yarn on, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. Here skipping 1, 2, 3, 4th one, pricking here and making the 6 double crochet. Like this. Now once again 5 times yarn on, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next chain, pricking here and making here 6 crochet. 6 crochet like this. 6 times making the crochet. Once again 3, 4 and 5. Next chain, pricking here, making the crochet 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now once again 5 times yarn on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now coming to this side. 3 chains are there, 1, 2 and 3. Now going to first one, 1 and bringing the yarn from here, bringing the hook from here and taking the yarn and going back and making here crochet 6 times crochet. 2 times, 3 times, 4th one, this is 5th one, this is 6th one, like this. Once again 5 times yarn on, 3, 4, 5, next chain here, next chain, picking here and bringing the hook here from here, okay, pricking here and bringing the hook from here like this and taking the yarn inside like this. Now making here 6 times crochet. Like this. Now 5 times yarn on, 3, 4 and 5. This is the last one. Picking here and bringing the hook from here and taking the yarn inside and making here 6 times crochet. Like this. Like this. This is the starting. Now making here once again 5 times yarn on, 3, 4, 5 and here skipping 1, 2, 3, 4th one. We are going to 4th one. Pricking here and making 6 times crochet like this. Once again 3, 4 and 5, next chain, making the crochets 6 times and here making this. Now once again 5 times yarn on, next chain, making 6 times crochet like this. Now once again 5 times yarn on, 4, 5, coming to this side, we made the crochet here. Now coming to this side, making here, pricking for first chain and bringing the crochet from this hole and taking the yarn inside and making here 6 times crochet. Like once again 3, 4, 5, next chain here and here, making 6 times crochet, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Another one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is last one. Five times yarn on. Once again I'm showing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the here. This is the last one crochet chain, pricking here and bringing the hook from here and taking the yarn inside and making 6 time crochet. When you are making 6 time crochet, it will be little tight, like this. Like this, this pattern is moving. Make here like this 3 crochet this side and 3 crochet opposite side. See, this row is finished now. Now making next row, making 1 chain and turning this side. Here making single crochets. Like this. This whole row is single crochet. Make the single crochet. This single row, this single crochet row is finished now, and turning other side. Before turning other side, you are making here 6 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turning this side. Here making this pattern again. So making 5 times yarn on, 4 and 5. Here skipping this chain and 1, 2, 3, going to 4th one, making here 6 times crochet. Like this. Once again 3, 4, 5, 5 times yarn on. Next chain and making 6 times crochet like this. Once again 3, 4 and 5. Now here pricking here and making crochet. Now 5 times yarn on, 3, 4, 5, coming to this side. Here in first chain and bringing the yarn inside, making here crochet. Like this. Now 5 times yarn on. Here next chain like this and making here 6 times crochet. Once again yarn on, 3, 4, 5. This is the last chain. Here breaking here and bringing the hook outside and taking the yarn and bringing inside. Here making 6 times crochet. like this. Like this pattern is moving on. Make the whole pattern here. Second time pattern also finish here. Now making next row, making here one chain, here turning this side, and here only single crochets. Like this, single crochets. Now this single crochet also finish here. This is the pattern, very beautiful pattern. I'm already made in white color. This is also beautiful. In this color also is looking so beautiful. Here diamonds, see the diamonds. Make this and comment me on the comment section, and don't forget to give thumbs up to my video. Please subscribe my channel. I am bringing lots of crochet videos, so subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.